guys, I wanted to show you my morning routine, and the kitchen is like a total wreck right now because I didn't clean it after making dinner last night because I was so tired. My eyes hurt. I was editing videos and doing a blog post and all kinds of stuff, and so I didn't clean it last night, but this is awesome because you get to kind of see like a super dirty kitchen and maybe get some real motivation. I also got some laundry to fold, and today is my spot cleaning day, so I kind of need to vacuum and all that, but I'll just show the kitchen and the laundry since I already showed you guys my spot cleaning. You can go check out that video, but let me show you what we're working with. Oh, and I also wanted to go to the dollar store and finish getting these baskets, but a storm has rolled in, so let me show you the kitchen and then I'll show you the weather too, because while I was getting ready, I had taken the dogs out. It was sunny, it was really cold, it was windy, and I was like, wow, it's really cold, come on guys, hurry up. And then while I was getting ready, I went to go open the blinds up in the master bedroom, and I was like, holy crap, I don't think I'm going out to to the dollar store. And the dollar store I like going to is kind of far away, so I think that's out of the cards today. So let me show you the kitchen. Okay guys, this is what we're working with. So Alex and I made steak last night. Look at this sink. It's gross. And yes. And this is my water cup. I think I'm gonna wash it. I usually wash it at the end of each week. So, and then I pull out a fresh one. So I need to wash his too, actually. And here is, yeah, I just left it like this last night. I was like, well, screw it. So, and Alex and I both cooked, but when he cooks, it gets a little crazy. But I was also like really not keeping up on the cleaning during the cooking, so that's partly on me too. And I'm gonna wash this. I usually try to wash this like maybe once a week too. So let's get to work. We got a lot to do. Quite a bit. Let me show you. It's so, we've had such a mild winter, but it's so nice to like not see the mountains, so maybe they'll have some snow on them. Like that's where the mountains usually are, and they're gone. They are gone. So, this is probably going to be a pretty good storm, I hope. We need it, but I am kind of sad. It was like throwing some flurries earlier, but looks like the roads are just wet right now. Yeah, I think the roads are just wet right now. Oh yeah, it's still flurrying. Can't really see it. Yeah. Oh, can you see it? No, probably not. But anyway, I think I might just stay in. Hello? What? Oh, okay. Cool. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Alright. Okay. Love you too. Bye. Just wanted to show you guys the weather. This is so wow. Okay, you remember how the mountains were gone? Oh, they're back. They're back now. Now the sun is shining. Dante, sit. 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 No, sit. Okay, there we go. Oh my god. Okay, yep, stay right there. You're okay. You're okay. I'm about to talk to the camera now. So you have to stay here. Okay? Oh. I don't know why. Nope. Okay. Okay. Get down. Get down. Okay. Here, Belle. Right here. So that everyone can see how beautiful you are. There you go. Okay. Okay. Are we ready? Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my kitchen cleanup routine. Oh no. Okay. Alright guys, I hope you... Oh, Shiza. I thought you could handle this, but you can't. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy my kitchen cleanup routine. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, here, I'll throw your bowl. Okay, drop it. Drop it. Okay, there you go. Go get it. Hi. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, live life in full bloom. And I will see you guys later. Bye.